Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai, Real Solutions to Real Problems. One of the big problems we have, not only in Massachusetts, but across this country, is that we don't produce enough skilled people, be it plumbers, electricians, engineers, and a whole variety of skilled jobs, which you can make a lot of money at. For example, in Massachusetts, for every 17 high-tech skilled job openings, only one person is skilled. Think about that. This is supposed to be the mecca of education. We don't produce enough skilled labor. One of my goals is to unleash Votech schools all across America and all across the state. Look, I learned to program computers as a 14-year-old kid. That led to the invention of email. That gave me skills that I still have today. No matter what happens, I can still do computer programming and earn a very, very good income for me and my family. So we need to really unleash Votech schools. We need to teach people actual skills so the working people of this country can get not just a livable wage, but very high, good wages. So Votech schools all over the place, and we also need to make sure that we make it easier to get an associate's degree, what I call the 13th year, so people can get the credibility they deserve. And that's how you get the life you deserve. Skills.